Using Doodle on the iPad. So you're going to start with a nice white board. On the bottom are your tools. You can select your different pen tools or your eraser tool. I'm going to pick the pen tool now and choose a color and choose blue. And then I can write on my pad. I did an A. Oh, my line is a little long. I'm going to click the trash can to delete it. I'm going to redraw my A, my uppercase A, and then my lowercase a. And if I draw a line I don't want, I can click on the undo button, and it'll undo that whole line I just drew. If I want to erase something, I can click on the eraser and then erase it. To change the size of the pen, you're going to hold down on that tool and a menu bar will come up. And so we had a big pen selected. So if I click over here on the left and I click a smaller pen, my line is going to be smaller. One of the other tools is the highlighter tool. So if you write something with a pen, I'm going to do it in black here. And then after I've finished, I select the highlighter tool and I can highlight over my word or my picture. And so they are highlighted in red. I'm going to select kind of, it's almost like a colored pencil there. Draw my little smiley face, and then I'm going to select the yellow highlighter, and I can make a smiley face from that. So the highlight tool is pretty awesome. To select other colors, you're going to click on this little rainbow color, and a menu is going to pop up, and then you can click on one of the squares of the color that you want, and then click off of it, and you can draw with that color.